Every room in a home serves a different purpose, and comfort needs can vary from one space to another. Bedrooms may require better airflow at night, kitchens often need ventilation while cooking, and living rooms benefit from balanced temperature and natural light. Choosing windows that adapt to these changing needs is essential. For homeowners in Rowlett, double-hung windows provide the flexibility and performance needed to support room-by-room comfort throughout the home. Understanding the double-hung advantage: double-hung windows feature two operable sashes, one on the top and one on the bottom. Both sections can move independently, offering greater control over airflow and ventilation. In Rowlett homes, this dual sash design makes it easier to fine-tune comfort levels in each room. Homeowners are not limited to a single opening style; they can adjust the window to match the space and situation. Ideal for bedrooms: bedrooms often require a comfortable balance of fresh air and privacy. Opening only the top sash allows warm air to escape while maintaining privacy at eye level. For Rowlett residents, this setup creates a cooler sleeping environment without compromising comfort or security. Double-hung windows make nighttime ventilation both simple and effective. Perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. Rooms that generate moisture or odors benefit from improved airflow. Kitchens and bathrooms, in particular, need ventilation that helps remove humidity. Double-hung windows in Rowlett homes allow homeowners to open the top sash to release rising warm air while keeping the lower portion closed. This supports better indoor air circulation in high-moisture spaces. Supporting living room comfort: living rooms are gathering spaces that should feel inviting year-round. Proper airflow and temperature stability are key to maintaining comfort. Double-hung windows allow Rowlett homeowners to adjust ventilation based on seasonal needs. Opening both sashes slightly can promote cross-ventilation and keep air circulating evenly. Enhancing home office environments: with more homeowners working remotely, maintaining comfort in home offices is increasingly important. Stuffy air can affect focus and productivity. Double-hung windows offer flexible ventilation options in Rowlett home offices. Homeowners can bring in fresh air when needed while maintaining stable indoor conditions. Managing seasonal changes: weather conditions vary throughout the year, and window flexibility is valuable. In Rowlett, double-hung windows adapt easily to seasonal shifts. During mild weather, both sashes can be opened to maximize airflow. When conditions change, they close securely to maintain insulation. Reducing hot and cold spots: uneven temperatures can make certain rooms uncomfortable. Areas near poorly performing windows often feel drafty or overheated. Double-hung windows, when properly installed, create tight seals and consistent performance. Rowlett homeowners benefit from reduced drafts and more balanced temperatures across rooms. Easy operation for everyday use: windows that are difficult to operate often remain closed, limiting ventilation options. Double-hung windows are designed for smooth, simple movement. In Rowlett homes, this ease of use encourages homeowners to adjust windows regularly to meet their comfort needs. Maintaining a classic look throughout the home: while performance matters, aesthetics also play a role. Double-hung windows offer a timeless design that complements various architectural styles. Rowlett homeowners appreciate the consistent appearance these windows provide, whether installed in bedrooms, living areas, or kitchens. A flexible solution for whole home comfort. Comfort is not one size fits all. Different rooms require different airflow and temperature control strategies. For homeowners in Rowlett, double-hung windows adapt seamlessly to room-by-room comfort needs. Their versatile design, smooth operation, and reliable sealing make them an excellent choice for maintaining balanced indoor conditions throughout the home. With double-hung windows, Rowlett residents gain flexibility, comfort, and everyday practicality in every space.